You don't need hours to have a clean, peaceful home. You need a rhythm that works with you. Cleaning after the holidays can feel like climbing a mountain. And if you're tired or short on time, that mountain can feel impossible. Here's the thing, you don't have to deep clean every corner in one day. A calm home isn't about perfection. It's about routines that actually fit your life. Today, I'll show you how to clean in a way that's gentle, realistic, and sustainable. Step 1. Focus on the high-impact spots. Pick 2 or 3 areas that matter most to you: the kitchen counter, the dining table, or the bathroom sink. Spend 5 to 10 minutes on each. Wipe, declutter, and reset. You'll be surprised how much cleaner your home feels, even with little effort. Small wins equal big impact on your perception of cleanliness. Step 2. Cleaning is not a race. It's tempting to try to do it all at once, but you'll burn out fast. Instead, sprinkle cleaning into your day. Wipe the bathroom sink after brushing your teeth. Sweep or vacuum high-traffic areas while waiting for your coffee. Load and unload the dishwasher as you go. See the pattern? Tiny, consistent steps replace long, exhausting sessions. And supportive products help. Rolling trolleys let you move supplies from room to room. Storage baskets catch stray items before they scatter. Step 3. Celebrate partial wins. Even if you didn't clean the entire house, pause and notice the difference in one area. Cleaning isn't about perfection. It's about progress, peace, and supporting your daily life. Tiny Oasis Decor's multifunctional pieces make these small cleaning routines easier, hiding what needs to be hidden and giving everything a proper home. Next week, we'll combine decluttering and cleaning into a simple organizing system, so your home starts to feel like an oasis rather than a project. What's one area you wish stayed clean automatically? Let me know below in the comments.